I tried Gnosis Safe Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to try out the Gnosis Safe Wallet app for 7 days, I thought it would just be another crypto wallet. But what I discovered shocked me. Gnosis isn't designed for individuals. It's built for teams and organizations that take security to another level. Right from the start, the app made it clear this wasn't your typical wallet. Instead of one private key, a Gnosis Safe uses a multi-signature system, meaning you can require multiple people to approve a transaction before any crypto moves. Think of it like a joint bank account, but for digital assets. Setting it up was surprisingly easy. I created a safe, added a few test wallets, and set the rule that 2 out of 3 signers had to confirm any outgoing transaction. During the week, I sent and received funds, swapped tokens, and even connected to decentralized apps using Wallet Connect. Everything ran smoothly, and I can't help but notice how much peace of mind came from that extra layer of approval. Most people get this wrong, but Gnosis isn't just for big companies or DAOs. Even small teams or families managing shared crypto can use it effectively. It supports multiple chains like Ethereum, Polygon, and Arbitrum, and integrates directly with major DeFi tools. The only real downside: it's not ideal for solo users who want quick, on-the-go transactions. You'll need coordination between signers, which adds time, but also adds bulletproof protection. After 7 days, the shocking truth became obvious. Gnosis Safe isn't about speed, it's about trust, transparency, and control. In a world full of crypto hacks and human error, this wallet shows how shared responsibility can actually make your digital assets safer. If you manage crypto with others, Gnosis Safe might just be the smartest wallet you'll ever use.